Hey guys, this is Scott Ayers here with FanPage Engine and Hubzy, and want to record a quick update here for you. David is out on the road doing a few things, so he's not able to get to record this message. So decided to take a bunch of stuff to go ahead and record one for you real quick. Just kind of want to let you know what's going on here and what we've got going on here with FanPage Engine in the last day or two. If you didn't know, we changed and upgraded our platform from what was called our 3.0 version to version 4.0, and 4.0 is completely different. You can see our on the demos on the fan. If you go to fanpageengine.com, click on demo, you'll see all the demo videos. I've got about 20 in there right now that'll show you how everything works, all the widgets, and how to create pages and all that kind of stuff. And some of it's still changing. We're tweaking it. And in the middle of that, here's where we've had an issue is, we've always been, David's philosophy has always been to, over deliver and to give a lot to his current customers. And even when I was a customer for a year or so, he gave me more than I gave to the company. I mean, he's always been very giving, and sometimes that's bad in business because you end up not making any money. But so we've always kind of had this mentality that current customers would always get the new versions of FanPage Engine. They're grandfathered in. They automatically get the upgrades and all that stuff. And that's how David has always ran things. And so we've always said that. And then we had 4.0 come out, and then we had a new developer come on who created 4.0, and it is night and day compared to what we've had in the past. It's completely different. The drag and drop system's different. The templates, the whole 9 yards is completely different. So in the beginning, we thought there'd be an easy way to merge pages from 3.0 into 4.0, but it can't be done. There's just no way to do it. The two systems do not communicate with each other. The new version is so quick and easy to connect to Facebook, where the old version was a little bit troublesome. Just to put it mildly, to get connected to Facebook. It was our first go around at doing the iframes, and so there was always that issue there. And so, so when we thought, we've always said we're going to grandfather everybody in, and you're going to get, whatever you bought. Now you get when we get a new version comes out. And so when 4.0 came out the other day, we're like, okay, we can't move pages from 3.0 to 4.0. And so well, I guess we'll just let everybody keep 3.0, and we'll try to fix it and try to keep it running. Maybe put some duct tape on it and get it working where it's at least decent enough to try to go on and edit pages. And then we'll just give everybody whatever the new packages are inside 4.0, because 4.0 has a little bit different package setup than what we've had in the past, and that's what we're going to be moving forward with. And so we basically were giving all of our current customers who had bought before Monday, which was the 27th of February. If you'd bought before Monday, you already had 3.0, and then you got 4.0 in addition. So you had two different things that were going to run. We've kind of sat on that for about 24 hours and realized that's just not going to be an easy thing to do. Not going to be a great way to give good customer service and support. And our developers are going to be trying to work on two platforms, and support reps are going to try to figure out how to answer questions for both. And do we keep up videos about 3.0 for support? And that's just a nightmare to try to do. And so what we figured out and come up with today is a solution that I think works out for everybody involved. And Jeremy, our designer, our developer, has already done this for you. So if you go into your account, you'll see this. Because if you look at on version 4.0, there's a little bit more limits to the amount of page tabs that you can create. We're no longer saying you get an X amount of pages like Facebook pages. Now it's you have this many tabs that you can create with our system, and you can put them on however many pages you want. So if you've got the developer plan, you've got 25 Facebook tabs that you can create. That can be 5 on 5 pages. That can be 25, 1 on 25 pages. That could be 25 tabs on one page. We don't care. So however you want to divvy it up. And so, what we were going to do is have 3.0 stay live, and then you got that. But now what we've done is all existing pro accounts and developer accounts, because it didn't really affect basic account members, but pro and developer, you now, if you'll look, you'll see you'll have an updated amount of tabs that you can create per your account. Pro users, you should show 47 tabs, because when you purchased, Pro account had 7 pages with 7 tabs total, so it's 47. Developers, we've given you 100 tabs to create. We feel that's a pretty fair amount considering that even our top user in the system has about 160 tabs. The average has about 25, or 30. And so we're at 100, you're going to easily have enough to create. And if you do go over that, we're going to have some options for you to kind of purchase packages in a sense, or, you can buy 25 tabs to create. And if you're reselling, which that's what the developer plan's for, it's a no-brainer because you can sell pages for a lot more than that. So what's going to happen here, and I want to show you here on the screen, over on the left-hand side, yours is going to look different than mine because I have access to everything. But you've got version 4.0 right here. You can click on that and start creating pages. Or the little drop down here, it says Fan Page Engine. You're going to see Create New Page and then My 3.0 Pages. So if you click on Create New Page, that's going to take you over to version 4.0, where you can kind of start creating pages inside that system. See there, that's 4.0. It's ready to go. If I were to click on, I'm right-clicking just to keep my screen there. If I click on the My 3.0 pages, what's going to happen is it's going to load the screen where you can go in and access only your created pages with 3.0. Now here's what you're not going to be able to do moving forward as of today, February 28th. You're not going to be able to create any new pages inside 3.0. You will be able to access those pages, you'll be able to edit those pages, but you will not be able to create any new tabs with 3.0 moving forward as of right now. So you need to create all your pages now inside 4.0. There's no reason not to, because 4.0 is a lot better, and we are not going to offer any support with 3.0 moving forward. So as of today, February 28th, we will not offer any support for 3.0. It's going to be there for you to access and edit your pages that you already have up, but we're going to depreciate it basically like Facebook has with FBML, and come May 31st, 3.0 will be gone completely. You will not be able to access it or do anything. So you want to move those pages over to 4.0, recreate them in 4.0 or whatever, because we're going to get rid of it because we can't continue to support a version that's unstable, and that it's just going to be a nightmare on us and our support and all those kind of things. And there's no reason to do that when 4.0 is world above. It's so much better than 3.0. So that's what it's going to look like. The menu may change over here on the left hand side. You may see a section down the road that says, to access 3.0, go here, and then everything is just 4.0 inside there. But for right now, you can see My 3.0 pages. That'll take you to here, but you'll have to do all the hoops of connecting, and you'll be able to see your pages, but you won't be able to add any new pages or tabs to your Facebook page. You'll just be able to go in and edit the ones you have. Come May 30th, at the end of the day on May 31st, 3.0 is gone completely from our system, and everything's just on the new version. So that's 3 months to kind of move everything over to 4.0 that you have, and it's an easier system. It works better anyway. And if you get the agency, which we'll have agency rolling out here soon, agency is going to have you all kinds of different folders and multiple admins, and so you want everything on 4.0 anyway. That way you can kind of do all that that's going to come with it. So I think this is a good change. It's a good compromise. Instead of trying to keep 3.0 running and really causing a nightmare for Chase and Jennifer and Jeremy and our support, and for David and myself as well, I think this is a good compromise and a good way for us to still give back to you, the current customers who've been with us for a long time like me, and at the same time move forward, because we can't keep trying to keep that thing going when it's just not working properly. And 4.0 is just so much better. So look for that when you log in. You should see that if you're an old Pro account member before Monday, if you bought before Monday, you're going to have 47 tab credits, and developers, you'll have 100. Now, those of you in the beta group, you know what you're getting, so we'll make sure that those get to you as well. So that's it. That's the update. 4.0 is blowing and going. We're adding a lot to it. We're adding more modules. You're going to see more themes constantly get added to it, and we've got a whole bunch of really cool things planned down the road for the themes and the modules and those kind of things. So be looking out for that. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for being a fan. Make sure to start creating pages. See ya.